everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. This is a slightly more different tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to wind your scraps into lovely, neat little yarn balls like these. Now, I was winding up my scraps the other day and I just posted a photo of these cute little yarn balls on Instagram, and I did a story saying, do you want a quick tutorial to show how I wind my scraps into these? And it was a resounding yes, so this is that video. So obviously you might just have tiny bits of yarn scraps left around, and to stop them from getting all tangled up and also to make them nice and easy to use for another project, I always roll them into these. Now, my mum showed me how to do this. I'm sure it's a very well-known technique, but I'm just going to show you how I do them. Okay, so I'm going to start with my scrap yarn and I'm going to just lay it across my fingers like this, and I'm going to split my fingers so I've got two on each side. And then I'm just going to figure eight it around those fingers, so you can see, going around the top two and the bottom two, just to make that figure of 8. And I'm just going to do that a good few times. Okay, and then at this point I'm just going to pinch that bottom one and pull my fingers out, and then I'm going to fold the top over the bottom, if you can see there, folding the top over the bottom so that the gaps line up, and then I'm going to pinch through that gap. Okay, and then I'm going to put my thumb through that gap, but not all the way through, just you can just see it peeking there a little bit, and that has started us off. And now what you want to do is we're going to, with your thumb through there, you're going to start winding this yarn around. So it will pinch it up and it won't look very neat at the beginning. So do it a good few times, and then you're going to remove your thumb a little bit, not all the way out, and turn it slightly and do some more. And then again, turn it again and do some more. Always keeping your thumb in that space. Turn it a bit more and wind. So you can see I'm just rewinding this ball for the sake of the tutorial. And then again, move it around and wind. Sorry, the cat has appeared as per usual and he's trying to get my attention. But you're literally, all right, Olive. So again, you'll just keep turning and winding. Once you've done a few, you'll turn and wind. Turn and wind. And as long as you turn at regular intervals after doing a similar amount of winds each time, and you're just going to keep doing that, and it will go nice and even, and keeping your thumb in the bottom of that yarn ball just makes it easier for you to keep turning. Obviously you don't have to do that, you can remove your thumb completely and hold the yarn ball once it starts working up. If you were doing a really big one with a lot of yarn, you'd have to do that anyway, but when it's only a small one like these, I can keep my thumb in the end there. As I say, wind and turn, wind and turn, and you will literally just keep doing that over and over again until all your scraps are wound up, and you'll have these really sweet and useful little yarn scrap balls. So like I say, it was only going to be a really quick one to show you how to do that. I really do hope it's been helpful for you. If it has, then please do share it with anyone that you think might also find it helpful, and leave me a comment to let me know how you do yours, because I'm sure there are a bazillion ways to wind your scraps. But that is it for this really quick tutorial, and I will see you for another one really soon. Not only will I see you soon, no doubt Olive the cat will be back as well. So again, I do apologise, she's still whinging. Enjoy the rest of your day, but thank you as always for watching, and bye for now.